was easy.
That was boring. There's gotta be a way we can make this more difficult. You need to put in a little bit of effort to get compliments. Or at least that's what the internet tells me. I think I've got a plan. This here is an Arduino. It's pretty much a small computer that can yell commands through the little pins on the edges. I'm going to have it yell sounds to a speaker buried in the easy button. Now that the pins are soldered, let's move on to the SD card. Micro SD cards. They're pretty cool, but a little hard to see. That's better. Now that we've got this SD card, we need a reader. Oh, this one's still a little small. There we go. Now you can see it. This reader will connect to the Arduino and... oh, crap. There we go. This reader will connect to the Arduino and let us read data from the card. Oh crap, I lost it. Somewhere over here. There we go. Here, let me zoom in. Okay, so this here is an amp. This will take the Arduino's 1s and 0s and turn it into sound through the speaker. We're also going to need a few capacitors. Potentiometer, and a resistor too. Now here's the finished circuit. Looks complicated, but it's not that bad. We have the capacitors, which really are the power supply for the speaker. We have the SD card reader, the Arduino, and a little bit of circuitry to drive the amp. But that won't fit.
Oh, I see some feathers. This is a good sign. We've got to be really quiet so we don't wake up any of the birds. You can hear them if you listen very closely. You can see some of the birds here. Are you trying to get one of their feathers? Maybe even a wing. Sometimes they'll leave their feathers snagged in some of the flower pots. Oh, look, I found one. Look, so we hit the jackpot. Look at all these feathers. Oh, this one looks really good. Perfect, this is just what I need. Let's see if we can find a wing before it starts raining. I wonder if there's a wing, maybe, left out here. Maybe they're in somewhere on the porch. Whoa, there we go. Oh, look at that. That's perfect. A music maker wing is just what we need.
Alright, now that we have the wings, these are just like the electronics we had before, but really it's just shrunk down, which is perfect for this project. I need new clippers. Much better. Now to the easy button.
That was easy.
I plan on reusing a lot of the parts, so let's try and keep them somewhat intact. I'll desolder the main board as it's going to come in handy. I'm scraping off some of the traces to block the rest of the circuit from going. All I want is the button. I'm going to use the battery tray as the location to store the feather in the wing. Hopefully there's enough space, but it might stick out the bottom just a little bit. Perfect fit. Now I've got to mark where the audio headers for the speaker connect. It's going to take up a little bit of room, so we're going to have to cut that off. I soldered a few wires to the feather, and now it's all going back in the case. I'm using the points I cleared up earlier to connect the easy button to the feather. Next, a little bit of super glue to connect some standoffs, and it should be done. Lab rat time.
Hey Paige, can you come press this button for me?
That was easy. Stupid. That was worse than my computer-generated voice. That's how it's done. Not. Stop hitting me. This button will self-destruct in 5, 4, 3, 2,